My name is Peter Black. I'm the Welsh Liberal Democrat member for South Wales West. I've been fortunate to win a ballot for a private member's bill in the Welsh Assembly, and I'm going to be bringing forward a bill shortly on park homes, which are mobile homes situated in parks around Wales. There's about 90 of these parks in which many residents live, mostly older people. The issue which we've had highlighted to us is that the licensing regime around these mobile home sites is not up to date. Basically, the licenses don't need to be reviewed, local authorities are not enforcing them properly, and there is no proper provision to protect residents from abuses. And as a result, that a minority of park home site operators have been abusing the facilities, have effectively prevented park home owners from selling their homes, have not carried out proper maintenance, and in some very extreme cases there have been instances where criminal behaviour has taken place, and there has been a prosecution in England about that. The bill which I'm introducing is going to bring forward a modern licensing scheme for park home sites. What we're seeking to do is to stop site operators from blocking the sales of park homes. We want to introduce a modern licensing system which local authorities are able to enforce properly, make sure that site operators carry out proper maintenance, and also make sure that the park home owners themselves are protected from any abuses. And we also want to make sure, for example, that park home owners are able to pass on their homes to their relatives after they die, which currently there is a lot of confusion about. We're also introducing a fit and proper person test to make sure that the people who hold those licenses, the owners or the managers of the sites, are fit and proper people to run those sites. They don't have criminal convictions, they don't have past convictions in terms of housing or health and safety abuses or lapses of judgment. And for that reason, we think it's really important that this bill is brought in as soon as possible. As of this week, we've launched a consultation on the proposals which we're bringing forward. That consultation document is available on the Welsh Assembly's website, and I would urge anybody who has an interest in park homes, or either as a mobile home owner or as a site operative, or if you're a relative or have any other interest in those sites, to respond to that consultation and let us know what you think about the proposals we're putting forward. This is an 8-week consultation. We're genuinely interested in hearing your views, and we will take those views into account when we come to bring the draft bill forward in October of this year. Thank you.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales, and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch ein dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.